Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Spotify playlist to your YouTube Music or any other music streaming services. Transferring a Spotify playlist to YouTube Music or any other music streaming services typically involves using a third-party tool or service, as a direct playlist transfer between platforms are not supported. Here's a general approach using a tool like Soundays. First, you need to sign up or sign in for the Soundays. What am I going to do is go to the Chrome and simply open my Soundays.com and enter it, and have to go to the start for the free option over here. And now it's personalizing the user interface as well, and you need to tap on the let's go options from it. And all you have to do is, we could see a lot of options of this Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, and the Amazon Music as well. So as I'm going with my Spotify, simply have to do is tap on the connect options from here and scroll a bit down and tap on the agree after you read all the agreements from here. Now we could see we just connected, but if you and now we could see we just connected, but if you want to disconnect it, if you're back, then simply tap on the disconnect option showing in the screen, and this is it. You can do that. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.